Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Legend Steel Door Threshold Set for GMC Savana and Chevy Express vans. Let's get into it. Okay, what we have here are the steel sills for GMC Savana, like the one behind me, or the Chevy Express side and rear doors. We happen to get this in the yellow color, or safety yellow, if you will. You can also get these in aluminum. It's got kind of a diamond plate pattern on it, but we went for the high visibility yellow because we heard that it looks really nice on these vans. All right, that's everything right there in the box. No dunnage or anything like that. So they are a little bit loose. This looks like it is the side door threshold right here. It's got a textured grip to it as well, so it's going to be that non-slip surface. I'm not sure if it's a powder coat finish or something else, but really durable finish on there. And then we have 4 screw holes that are going to attach right into either the floor or the factory threshold. I'm not quite sure yet. We're going to be installing this in the van behind me with a StabiliGrip floor, so make sure you check out that video to see exactly how this attaches. We do have our hardware here. It looks like it's just a set of self-threading screws that are going to go into these 4 locations here. And then at our rear door, I believe this is up. So if you're looking at the rear of the van, you'd be looking at this. There's a little bit of a lip right here that goes up. And we've got our attachment points right here. It looks like the drilling does have a little countersinking in there. And then we do have those sunk heads, I guess, on the screws as well. So it's going to be a nice flush fit in there once you attach it to the van. So this is meant to sit right over top of the factory sill that's in there, as well as the floor that you have in there. This works really well with that StabiliGrip floor, or even that Evolve floor, which is still a thicker, rigid floor as well. But again, it's your rear door, your side door. You can also get this in a black finish as well. And like I said, there's an aluminum version of this as well that has a diamond plate texture on it that you can also get for the van. So if you're looking for this sill set or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.